Welcome to episode 115 of Just Listed by Pauline.
528 Kooyong Road in the heart of Caulfield South is the property you've been looking for. Today we're very fortunate to have the builder with us, so he will walk us through this amazing home. Let's go out there, have a look at this property and see what the builder's got to pass on, because I would say this property is perfection. Let's go, Pauline. Steve, thank you so much for your time today. I love the facade and I love the location. Tell me more about the facade, please.
We started with an original Californian bungalow and it was pretty tired and run down. We've re-stuccoed the front, we've replaced all the cedar shingles.
Yep.
We've also given it new tiles, a new facelift out the front.
Sure.
And made it into a house that is the best house in Caulfield South. We've used exposed aggregate driveways.
Yep.
We've landscaped the front garden from front to rear.
Yep.
We've used an electric sliding gate for ease of entry off Kooyong Road.
I would have to say the floorboards are my favorite part about the home, and the bathrooms as well, and the high ceilings. Jesus, there's too many things that I like about this property. Tell me more about the floorboards, please.
The floorboards, we chose to use ironbark with a Tasmanian oak inlay. Ironbark is the closest timber you will get to steel.
Yep.
It's graded at F27,
Yep.
meaning that you can wear high heels, you can run up and down, you can bring your pets through the house, you will not damage these floorboards.
A marble bathtub and marble sinks. What was the vision behind this?
Can I say it was an effort to even get these in the room? The bath
How
itself
heavy is that?
weighs over 200 kilos and took 5 of us just to lift it in.
Wow. There's underfloor heating. What does that mean?
It means on those chilly winter mornings, you can set your bathroom floor to 42 degrees.
Yep.
You could lay on the floor naked if you like.
I don't think many people would do that. Steve, I've sold a lot of properties. I would say this has to be the formal lounge, but you're actually using this as your home office, correct? With built-in cabinets and built-in shelves and all that. Do you work from home?
Yes, I do. The main aim for having this as a dedicated home office is because we felt that we have enough living areas. We have the main lounge room out the back.
Yep.
We have a theatre room,
Yep.
and we also have the rumpus room upstairs for the kids.
Awesome.
Now, Zed, for my favourite room in the house, the theatre room.
Wow. You've even got black doors.
Yes, we made the room entirely black and put acoustic seals in behind all the doors. The
Yep.
movie room itself is virtually soundproof. We have iPad control for the theatre room. We have
Yep.
automated curtains.
Yep.
We have automated lights. So
Yep.
when you press play on the movie, the lights automatically dim and the curtains close.
That perspective buyer that will walk in here, they can actually buy this furniture, or are you actually giving it away?
We're giving it away with the house, along with all the movie theatre equipment.
Steve, tell me about the door. What's the vision behind this?
We've continued the same theme using ironbark and Tasmanian oak. We've used that to separate the front half of the house and the back half to give you privacy if you had clients over using the home office. We've opened the whole back of the house up using the bifold doors, and we've got a huge glass window so you can enjoy the view out the backyard.
Quartz stone bench top, glossy finishes, stainless steel appliances, double sink and a coffee machine.
We've definitely spared no expense in this kitchen. This 40 square home sits on over 600 square metres. It offers 4 very generous sized bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, powder room, 2 living areas, a theatre room, built-in office, a single car garage, 3 car spaces, and very close to public transport and shopping centres, with the bus stop being right out your front door.
Birthdays, anniversaries, parties, I would say this is the central hub for it. What's the vision behind an outdoor fireplace, for God's sake?
We wanted a place where you could actually entertain your friends.
Yep.
We've got a built-in barbecue, bar fridge, open fireplace, and luminescent concrete table.
What does that even mean?
It means it glows in the dark at night. Whether you look upwards or downwards, drunk, sober, makes no difference.
Are you sure you want to sell this house?
I think it's time as a couple that we move on.
Yeah.
We've always had the dream and the vision of this house
Yep.
to build nothing but perfection. My own company motto is through evolution comes perfection, and that's what I think I've created.
Love it, love it. I love the fixtures, I love the fittings, you know, throughout the whole property. I'm gonna have to repeat the same word again here. It's called perfection. My name is Zed Nashi, this is Paulie from Zed Real Estate. I hope you guys enjoyed a tour of this amazing property, and we're looking forward to meeting you or seeing you at one of our next open for inspections.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and a special thanks goes to our vendor, Steve.
It was my pleasure taking you through the home.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you. And stay tuned for next week's episode of Just Listed by Zed.
Cheers.
Cheers.